I found this fusion out of nowhere. This is the fusion of Vegeta and legendary Super Saiyan Broly. Getting started, we start with the eyes here. Then we just start off with the nose. I don't really know why Unreal Light Gaming created a fusion of Vegeta and Broly. There are hundreds of fusions that it would create. This one, don't even know why he would come up with something like that. He should stick to his own stuff. We've already seen fusions of Goku and Broly before. Ones that I haven't drawn yet. Be sure to draw the hair really, really big. Here's his hair. Here's the other piece of his hair. Alexa, why did Bakugan have another reboot?
Bakugan Battle Brawlers ended on March 5, 2011 after 2 seasons.
March 5th? After 2 seasons? Really? I don't know why we even bother with that. I mean, the second half of Mactanium Surge was the worst. There wasn't anything new on it. Here's his arm. And done. There he is. The fusion that I've never would have expected to draw up. Man, his hair is huge. A Saiyan with really huge hair? Who would come up with something like that?